Did you know Burdick Plumbing and Heating offers 50 years and 3 generations of experience? Being locally owned and operated means we are your go-to for all your plumbing and heating questions, concerns, and needs. We offer all-in-one repair and get the project completed in a timely and professional manner. We here at Burdick Plumbing and Heating only use the very best in products on all of our job sites. We do offer 24/7 emergency services when needed, and also financing options are available. All you have to do is ask. With a half-century of serving the community, we pride ourselves on maintaining a commitment to exceptional customer service and satisfaction. We look forward to hearing from you and addressing any issues or questions you have about your HVAC, plumbing, and indoor air quality needs.